Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. What if I just started this video, y'all don't even know how this is gonna turn out? Oh, wow. What if you had to stay to the end to figure out what the fuck this is gonna look like?
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a UPART wig install. I have my natural hair out and blow dry, and this is what we looking like. Y'all already know. I don't gotta talk about it too much. Who is bald-headed? Yeah. I'm recording with a different camera. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. And this background is just my wall, because I don't feel like putting a backdrop up. This is where we at. And it's so crazy because I can really see myself. I'm recording with my vlog camera because my other battery's dead and I didn't feel like charging it. And I just thought, like, what if I record with this one to see how it goes? So here I am. Let me know if you guys like it. This is my vlog camera though, so I don't know if it'll like be, you know, permanent. Like I would just record on this camera all the time. But I do want to get a new camera that's mirrorless. I gotta flip. I can look at myself. Ain't that crazy? I ain't been looking at myself this whole time. And I can see myself. This is crazy to me. This is a 30-inch UPART wig from Yolissa hair. And we finna throw it on. We finna kill it. We finna, yeah. That's what we finna do. Everything, all of the things. I'm talking too much. I think it's because I can see myself. I just want to get a good idea of where I should be parting my hair. So I'm gonna just throw it on, even though, like, you know, it's not. So I should probably part my hair, like about right here. All right, good to know. So I'm just gonna get my hair portion together first, so I can get ready to add the wig on. So, of course, I have no comb. Oh wait, I lied. It was right here. So I'm gonna just, you know, it was like 4 inches deep, I believe. And I wanna have as much hair out as like possible. So like I might be stretching the boundary a little bit, but I just want like, for one, okay, here's the things I'm scared about. That my leave out is crusty, you know, that it's just not good. That's what I'm scared about. I'm scared that my ends need to be trimmed so they look bad. I'm scared about that. I'm scared about my hair because back when I was bald-headed and had short blonde hair, like the ends like this long, all these are like dyed. So I have to dye my hair to like make sure that they match. And I'm not sure they do right now. But you know what? We're finna find out. So part of me wants to braid the surrounding area, but part of me kind of just wants to wing it and just see what happens. So I think I'm gonna just separate this real quick and then see if the wig like stays on without me having to braid it. So I'm gonna just braid this up so I can get out the way and like make sure that they all like stay together, the hairs. I could have clipped it, but you know, we're here now. So here's the braid. For now, I'm just gonna throw this in a little bun in the back. I don't gotta be braided or nothing yet because we're just trying to see if this looks right. So they add this little string right here so you can well, I don't know why they add this string right here, but didn't that sound like I did? Didn't that sound like I did know? I don't. So I'm gonna just cut it off. Okay, so now I have just the clips open face and I can just throw the wig on. Wow, I parted just where I needed to. That's perfect, I think. So I'm finna start clipping. Let me open up all the clips. I'm gonna open up all the clips off my head. So here's what I can show y'all the construction. I just think it's so wild that I'm looking at myself right now. So I'm opening up all the clips. Here's the construction of the wig. I have 3 clips up at the front. I'm just gonna open those up. And there's 2 clips on the sides and 1 clip in the back. Okay, I should have braided my braid a little bit better. I didn't think it was that deep, but it clearly was. Because this is no braid. And I have 0 clips up here. Leave it to me to have no clips where I need clips. Actually, found one. So I just put the clips in and then I'm going to get this hair off my eye. And then now I'm going to add the clips on the side. I think it's right here. Throw that clip on. I thought I wasn't going to feel that secure. Like I thought I was going to feel like my wig was going to come off. But if anything, I feel like it's kind of heavy. Like I feel like the wig is okay. Actually, the side clips, I don't know if they're too on or not. But definitely, like this side, I feel like my wig is on. Like my bun is a little too big in the back, but that, you know, that don't matter. And for these clips, you just gotta push them down. Y'all know what wig clips look like. Remember we used to have extensions or like clip-in extensions? They're just like those clips. No, it's not laying too flat for me. Oh, that's why. So I guess my wig is just fucked up. You know, I would have the fucked up wig. But let's see if I can zoom in. This is so crazy. Wow. So here I am. You see a little string has frayed from the clip. So it's not gonna lay as flat as possible. Not these crusties. I'm going back out. That's gross. I love this camera. Okay, so this clip is kind of messed up, but we gonna make it work. I'm gonna go ahead and start flat ironing this hair, which is long, but I don't got no pants on right now, like I never do. So I can't show y'all how long it is right now, but I am gonna go ahead and start flat ironing it. I'm assuming this area right here is supposed to go over your ear. Don't know why they thought people was gonna wear this wig like that, but I'm just gonna fold that under itself. And it's kind of bothering me over here with this clip, but the wig is on. I thought I was gonna have to braid, but I'm gonna have to sew this again. But other than that, the wig is on. Okay, yeah, actually I'm gonna move it forward a little bit. I guess I do feel a little more better with it up a little more. Okay, so there's the wig. It's on. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and start flat ironing this hair, and then we can move on to my leave out after this hair is straight. It looks kind of straight now, but it's just not as straight as it could be. So I'm gonna just try to get those extra kinks out. And I'm gonna try to stand up. I can at least stand up for now. See, it's a little straight, but it could be straighter, you feel me? So, and that's what I'm gonna do.
Represented by getting off, permanent flow my grill with flawless. I'm stuck.
I probably pay too much for the chain, but enjoy it on me. No, I probably speak too much about the cane, but that's how I'm rolling. Cause I bought a couple, had my baby mama handle my business, we not a couple. You gotta fumble, I'm a motivator, nigga, get up off your ass and hustle. Okay, so all my hair is straight now. It's time to flat iron the leave out. I'm gonna spray a little bit of heat protectant on it before I get started. Ugh. I'm not gonna spray a lot of this heat protector. It's from this brand. They're from a local B-Supply store. It's $8. Oh, hold on, wait. Is it focusing? Is it focused? I never get to do that for real. Boom. That's it. That's it. Can we talk about my natural edges just laying down like that? Yeah. And I'm gonna get my middle part together. I ain't have leave out in forever. This is so crazy to me. I think I've only ever gotten like one sew-in in my life, and after that I was like wigs. So this is crazy. I was never a leave out person in the first place. I felt so hard when I got my sew-in too. Like I felt like I was really the one. So I'm gonna try to flat iron in as small of sections as possible. So yeah, I'm not just gonna flat iron this one section together. So we're gonna just split it up into smaller sections and just start flat ironing with the chase method like I was doing on the wig. I put heat on my hair like this and like the ear. I'm scared. We just gonna keep doing it. I'm scared. Hopefully my hair don't look, you know, a mess. And that's the go. That's the only go, is that my hair do not look a mess. And I'm only gonna do like one pass of the flat iron. That's the go. So that's why I'm gonna do thin sections so that the one pass is as impactful as it can be. I don't want to put a lot of heat on my hair. Okay. I'm not scared no more. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I need a trim. Like, I desperately need a trim, but I'm not gonna trim the lead out because I'd much rather like do an overall trim. But I'm gonna wear this wig knowing good and well that I need a trim. And I need to dye my ends, or dye my hair, I guess, because yeah, my ends are like really light. But I don't plan on wearing this wig out. And if I do go outside with this wig on, one, nobody gonna meet me yet, and then two, hopefully I'll have. I was gonna dye my leave out for this, but then I didn't feel like it, so I didn't. That's how that went. But if I ever did like want to wear this like to somewhere, cause right now I'm gonna just get cute and take pictures. Like, that's all this is. Like, this ain't nothing special. I was gonna say it's so flat. That was my concern. I was concerned that like it would look kind of bulky. But like, no, this is giving me sew-in. It's giving me flat. Okay, I'll show you the back of my head. I don't know what the back of my head look like. I'm just kind of scared. I'm gonna do a little comb through real quick before I expose myself. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm gonna show you the back of my head. Okay, showing y'all what it look like. Y'all see how light my hair is? I should have dyed it. That was my fault. I knew better than that, you know? But from the front, you can't even. I'm gonna do these edges. I'm finna first of all get this easy edges stick and just try to fix up this part, because this part is not straight to me. And I'm gonna use my hot comb to try to smooth it out, but I understand this is not a wig and you know it can't be perfect. There we go, that's a part. I still don't know what the back of my head look like. Probably ridiculous, you know. I should dye my hair. Can't keep emphasizing it enough. I should dye my hair. But from the front, it really don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do my edges, and I'm gonna say for y'all about that. I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do them, and then we can come back with our final thoughts, with the final outfit, and call it a day. I'm about to use a new edge brush. It seems like it passed the test of like, is this edge brush worthy? It seemed a little hard. I'm gonna see if it's hitting right, and hopefully it is. I could not pause that song for nothing. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm using my edge control. This is the edge control I'm always using. Like, I really enjoy it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna lay these edges out. Brody got the big thing, he think he a fish. This nigga think he tough, but I think he a bitch. Here's the hair. I think I'm gonna have like the one ear tucked back, like the one in the front. I think that's a vibe. Part of me wants to cut layers in the wig so that I could curl it, but then part of me knows I don't feel like doing none of that, but that could happen. So I'm not going to, but I really could, but I'm not, but I could, but I'm not. Next time I wear this, I'm gonna dye my leave out. I'm gonna dye my hair so my leave out match, but nobody gonna meet up. Baby hair done. I don't want to do nothing too crazy. I wanted to give it like a natural looking vibe. So that's the baby hair I gave. And I'm gonna get dressed. So here's the final look. Here's my hair. I really do wish I would have dyed my leave out. But I don't really plan on, at first the initial plan with this wig was to glue it on and not clip it. So if I ever end up doing that, which is gluing it on, then I'll definitely dye my leave out to match better. That's the only thing holding me back right now, I feel like, because this look good. My baby hairs is laid and I just feel like I look good. I'll stand up for y'all. We still not there yet. I'm gonna get on my chair real quick. I'm scared, y'all. Y'all know this is the chair I be falling in. I still don't think that was enough. It's really full. It's super long and like full to the ends, which I still don't think y'all can see. Here, how about that? Full to the ends, full to the ends. Yeah, my leave out look bad because I need to dye it and I need a trim. Let's not forget that. Yeah, bitches need a trim, like real bad. So, you know, I'd recommend you trim your hair. Make sure your leave out match the color of the weave. And you gonna be set. This is nice. I'm here for it. And even then, you can add some layers too to help with your leave out. But I just didn't. But here's my look. How'd you guys feel about me not coming in like this? Was that weird? I'm trying something new, trying something different. See if niggas stick around longer. That's it. Tell me what you think about this camera quality. Do you like this? Should I record with this also? But this is gonna be my vlog camera, so I don't know if I wanna do that. But let me know what you think about this quality. I'ma shut up. I'ma head on out. I'ma fuck with you. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Yolissa hair for this hair, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.